Mercedes-Benz. My friends all have Porsches, and I must make amends. I worked hard all my lifetime with no help from my friends. Oh Lord, won't you buy me a Mercedes-Benz? Come on, Wayne. Oh Lord, won't you buy me a color TV? I'm well for dollars, it's trying to reach me. Well, I wait for delivery each day until 3. Oh Lord, won't you buy me a color TV? Oh Lord, won't you buy me one nice night on the town? I'm counting on you, Lord, so please don't let me down. Say that you love me, won't you buy the next round? Oh Lord, won't you buy me a nice night on the town? Okay, boys, find the key and let's go. Woo! Buy me a Mercedes-Benz. Woo! All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. Woo! We're Jersey Pearl. We're glad to be here today. We hope you all have a really nice day.